Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca Ramsdale and today we are going to be doing a cow print nail art tutorial. What you will need is a clear base / top coat, nail polish of your choice. I'm doing 10 different nail polish colors, all with a lighter color for the base and a brighter color for the cow print. You will need a large dotting tool, I ordered mine on Amazon, and then you'll need a piece of tinfoil to decant the nail polish onto. For the first step, you're going to want to apply a clear base coat. This will help protect your nails. For the next step, you're going to want to apply your base color. So like I said, I'm applying a different color to each nail, and I'm starting with the lighter color as the base. And don't forget to let your nails dry. Now apply a second coat of the polish in the exact same colors. This is where the fun starts. You're going to want to grab your tinfoil, your dotting tool, and your nail polish, and decant a little bit of nail polish onto the tinfoil. Then grab your dotting tool and pick up some of that polish and start applying it in kind of random splotches to your nails. Do all different sizes, all different shapes. When it all comes together, it'll definitely look like a cow print. It's important to work a little bit fast when applying these dots because the nail polish on your tinfoil will dry relatively quickly, so you just want to make sure that you're working one color at a time. But go ahead and finish off the rest of the nails by applying the corresponding color onto each nail base. Once again, you're going to want to allow your nails to dry. Once your nails are completely dry, apply a clear top coat to help protect your new designs. And they're done! That is how to do an easy, at-home cow print nail art design. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.